Hey there everybody, just a quick update to my server motor install video. I had somebody asking about thick material and slow speed control with this motor. Right now I've got it set at 500 RPM and I've so far felt the speed control has been pretty good. This here is just 2 layers of heavy duty nylon tarp, and as you can see, if I want to, I can do 1 stitch at a time just about. I'm not very good at this yet because this is a whole new thing for me and this is the first time I'm using an industrial machine, so bear that in mind, but you can get pretty precise. Yeah, so that's 2 layers. Alright, so now we're going to do 4 layers of heavy duty vinyl tarp. There it is on slow, and then full speed. And so you can see that handled that with almost no issue. Alright, so I've got another strip here, and we're going to go ahead and fold it over into 2, and then 4 layers, and we'll put our other 4 layers on top of that. We'll see how she does 8 layers. So as you can see, even up to 8 layers is really no problem for this thing. I wasn't expecting it to be, because this machine was used for sewing this kind of tarp from the company I got it from, and the motor that I put on this servo motor is a 3/4 horsepower motor, and the motor that was with the table that they told me went with it, or told me that would work with it, was only a 1/2 horsepower. So I've got more horsepower, and well, these machines really, like I said, it just doesn't care what you put under it, so if it'll fit under the presser foot, it'll probably work. I could probably try, let's make 16 layers here. I don't know if I can get this underneath the presser foot, but yeah, I think I'm going to have tension issues doing this, but we'll see. Yep, that's not quite going to work because it won't fit underneath the presser foot. So apparently 16 is the limit for at least this kind of work. If you found this video helpful or informative, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.